Hello, South Florida. I'm meteorologist Trent Eric. After plenty of sunshine here so far on this Sunday, showers beginning to push into Miami-Dade County as you see that northeast wind picking up those showers and thunderstorms over the Gulf Stream and now pushing them in towards Biscayne Bay. As we go throughout the evening, we'll keep at least a 50 to 60% chance of some showers in the forecast. And in the tropics, believe it or not, we are still tracking Hurricane Nicole. This one is racing off to the east-southeast in the next couple of days. Right now, still less than 10 miles per hour. It'll be up by Greenland by the end of the week. But here closer to home, we are watching a area of disturbed weather, a surface trough that's interacting with an upper low. This one right now, the National Hurricane Center has a 30% chance of developing over the next couple of days. On the extended forecast tomorrow, beach day looks a little better, 30% chance of a shower. And believe it or not, well, let's just get right to it. All over the weekend, we're expecting a cold front to actually make a difference here Saturday or Sunday with temperatures in the upper 60s there Saturday and Sunday morning. Don't forget, anytime you want to check the radar or the tropics, it's always here at local10.com.